Hey creators, have you ever hit a wall trying to explain your visual idea to a team or client? A picture is worth 1,000 words, and a storyboard is worth 1,000 meetings. Today we're exploring an AI tool built exactly for this, Storyboards AI. I've tested it inside and out to give you this detailed overview and my personal review. We'll see its features in action, weigh the pros and cons, and determine if it lives up to being called the best AI storyboard generator available right now. The website Storyboards AI champions instant AI-powered storyboard creation from text prompts. Its main goal is to accelerate pre-production for various media by generating visual panels automatically. You describe a scene and it produces an image. A standout feature is the ability to generate and maintain consistent characters across different frames, which addresses a major pain point. You can also apply different artistic styles and make edits directly within the platform. After generation, you can compile shots, add notes, and create a shareable storyboard. The positive aspects are compelling. The speed of generation is its biggest selling point, turning minutes of typing into a basic visual sequence. The character consistency engine is robust for an automated tool, making it possible to craft a short narrative with a recurring figure. The simplicity of the process makes visual storytelling accessible to those without drawing skills. However, the negatives stem from the inherent limitations of current AI. The image quality and accuracy are not always perfect, and can require multiple generations and refined prompts to hit the mark. It may struggle with highly dynamic camera angles or specific non-generic character designs. While it's an excellent generator of concepts and moods, it may not achieve the level of detail and specific framing a skilled storyboard artist can. Storyboards AI offers 4 main pricing tiers. The free plan at $0 per month provides a basic starting point with one story, limited words and images, and a small allocation of 50 total credits for generation and edits. The indie plan costs $15 per month, but its specific features are not detailed in the visible part of the image. The Pro plan is $35 per month, and the top-tier Studio plan is $79 per month. The Pro and Studio plans offer significantly higher limits, including unlimited stories, a 36,000-word limit per story. They also provide unlimited credits for all generation tools, like in Painting, Wizard, IMG to IMG, and Pose, making them suitable for heavy professional use. Thanks for tuning in. For more reviews on the latest productivity software, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.